Hey everybody, washing cars today. Tesla's been washed. Her name is Why Not. And then you see Raven out there. She's been washed and dried. Now it's time for old girl here. Figured I'd make a quick video. I normally do with my project cars. I'm gonna put you down and put you on time lapse, which I just learned to do today. And see what you think. I'm not gonna detail the inside today. I'll probably just wipe it down, but I'll give you a time lapse of me washing it. See you in a minute, guys. All clean now. What I do want to do is I want to open up the hood and clean around the where the hood connects. Same thing with the doors, the door jambs and the trunk jamb. Make sure those are clean, and then go around with my handy dandy wash rag and get any spots that I maybe have missed. The paint on this thing is 50%. Some of the paint's really good. A lot of the paint, I'm not sure how well it'll show up on the, you can see that or not. All this in here is where the clear coat's peeling, and the back tent needs to be redone. I'm going to steam that and get rid of it, but a whole bunch of clear coat peeling. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. There's a lip there, so that's another one. Part of the hood needs to be done. So there's at least 4 full panels that need to be done. Not sure if I'm gonna try and learn to do that myself, or I'm just gonna bite the bullet and take it and have it done. I would like to learn how to do it. Maybe I'll do it on just the trunk, since that's the smallest, flattest spot. But that means getting the primer and the clear coat and the base coat. And I don't know the exact name, but it's on the build sheet I have for this. So anyway, let me know what you think, what else you want to see me do. Oh, check it out. I don't know if you can see, I don't know how to zoom in on this thing, but there's a dragonfly on top of my, right there on the windshield wiper. Take that as a good sign. See you guys next time.